Hello friends, I am Technosphere, and we have always assumed that if we set foot on any other planet in the universe, its high gravity, extreme temperature, intense pressure, and unsuitable atmosphere would destroy us within minutes, making it impossible for us to survive. But, what if I told you there are planets in the universe whose environment wouldn't harm us, but instead improve our health so much that it might feel like you've gained superpowers? And I'm not even kidding. Recently, scientists have discovered several habitable planets that are in many ways far better than Earth. Life on these planets could evolve rapidly and sustain for a much longer time. So which planets are these? Well, let's find out today. So guys, as you know, Earth is the only planet where simple life forms to complex organisms capable of surviving in extreme environments have evolved and continue to evolve. Seeing all this, we naturally consider Earth unique. But many studies suggest there could be other planets with environments even more favorable than Earth's. Yet since we live on Earth, instead of looking for better planets, we focus our entire energy on finding Earth's mirror image, which is completely wrong. On October 5, 2020, a team led by Dirk Schulze-Makuch, a geobiologist at Washington State University and the Technical University of Berlin, launched a new mission. This mission targeted planets better than Earth in every aspect, and you won't believe it, they found such planets. Not just one or two, but a total of 24 super-habitable planets. Dirk Schulze-Makuch and his team devised a unique observation method to discover these planets. They created a list of criteria, and if a planet didn't meet these criteria, it wasn't considered super-habitable. This was their simple way of filtering the planets. Now tell me, what is the most essential thing for any life to survive? Suitable temperature, a good atmosphere, water, and a large land surface area, right? Keeping these factors in mind, they developed their criteria. Number 1, age of the host star. Usually, when scientists explore exoplanets, they primarily focus on yellow dwarf stars, which are similar to the Sun. But this time, Schulze-Makuch's team also targeted orange dwarf stars, which are cooler, dimmer, and less massive. The main advantage of targeting these stars is their lifespan. Yellow dwarfs have a lifespan of about 10 billion years, whereas orange dwarfs can live 20 to 50 billion years. This means that if life evolves in such planetary systems, it could evolve for 2 to 3 times longer than on Earth. However, the stars shouldn't always be too old because, over time, a planet's interior geothermal energy cools down, and it can lose its magnetic field. Number 2, presence of water. Once a proper planetary system is found, the first step is to measure the distance between the planet and its host star. This helps determine whether the planet is within the habitable zone, indicating the potential presence of water. Number 3, size and mass of the planet. According to researchers, the size and mass of a planet significantly influence the evolution of life. The larger the size, the bigger the habitable surface area. Additionally, a more massive planet means stronger gravity, which can sustain a thick and stable atmosphere. However, the mass should only be 1.5 to 2 times greater than Earth's. Otherwise, the planet's interior could cool too quickly, losing its protective magnetic field. Number 4, temperature. Temperature is an obvious factor because extreme temperatures make survival nearly impossible. Scientists focus on planets with average surface temperatures only 5 degrees Celsius above or below Earth's, as tropical microbes on Earth thrive in such conditions. By applying these criteria, scientists identified 24 exoplanets, and among them, 2 stood out as super-habitable. The first is K5715-01, which has a surface temperature 2.4 degrees Celsius lower than Earth's. Its mass is 7 times that of Earth, and its size is 8 times larger, indicating a vast land surface area and strong gravity. The host star's distance suggests a high likelihood of abundant water sources. The second is K55-4.01, with a surface temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, perfect for human survival. Due to continuous tectonic activity, this planet has an active nitrogen cycle, essential for cleaning the atmosphere and supporting life evolution. Although detailed information about these planets is still being gathered, research using the James Webb Space Telescope is ongoing. Apart from these 2, there are other planets that fall into the super-habitable category. Number 1, LHS 1140. Discovered on April 20th, 2017, through the Mirth project, this planet has an iron-nickel core covering 75% of its surface in the form of lava. Surprisingly, scientists found water beneath its surface, potentially indicating an underground water world. Number 2, Luyten B, discovered on March 17, 2017, using the radial velocity method. This planet is rich in essential materials like amino acids and hydrocarbons, which are crucial for life. Scientists even sent messages, including musical compositions, to this planet to check for intelligent life. In our solar system, Callisto. Interestingly, even in our solar system, there's a celestial body that qualifies as super-habitable, Callisto, Jupiter's second largest moon. Beneath its icy surface lies a salty ocean, and scientists speculate it could even support a protective atmosphere if we manage to counter Jupiter's radiation. So friends, do you think Callisto could become humanity's next colony after Mars? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep growing. Jai Hind.